We on then? Hi everybody, Brady the Honest Woodcutter is coming to you today from my back wood lot. We're going to be doing something a little different today. I've got my buddy Charlie Brooks here, and we went to the sawmill this morning and picked up 2 loads of butt ends. We're going to be unloading Charlie's truck first, cutting and splitting it, putting it back on his truck. He sold four face cords of wood to a man in Willow Springs. He had some wood at home that he brought down this morning and dropped off. It was closer for him to come down and get some more wood at the mill, process it here and take back to him than it was for him to go back to his house. And so that's what we're doing. And then whatever's left, I get to keep. So I figure we got 3.5 face cords or so here. You let the thing down.
Yeah,
we'll have to set this back up.
Anyway,
we're going to put it right about.
Yeah, that'll work.
About right there. So we're gonna I'm gonna unload this load. Charlie can commentary for you. There's quite a bit of cherry on here. Let me see that camera a minute. Show you guys what I got going on here. I got a load of cherry here I've been saving for my buddy for his smoker. I'm gonna try to take that to him. I hope this coming week, but we'll see. I got a little pile of, I'm gonna have a bonfire, I guess, and burn this stuff. I got my pile of little pile of boiler wood over there that's sold. Around the 15th or so, I gotta deliver that. And then I've got my big pile of 16 and 18-inch wood. I've got a little pile of poles here that I brought home the other day when I was low on bar oil. So I just cut them in like 5.5 foot lengths, and they're pre-marked at about around 16 inches. I started cutting those yesterday and ran out of time, but we're gonna unload this for you. I'll set this tablet up so you don't feel like he's doing all the work. You set that right there, and we'll get this thing unloaded and we'll start cutting. Nice walnut, yep. A lot of these are already, some of these are already ready to cut, or already ready to split. We're going to throw that right here by the wood splitter. This one. Took out my oil jug. Stay with me, yeah, watch the camera. Just the way it is.
I tossed those over there.
Over where? Over here?
Front of that.
Okay.
I said we use 25 cents, so we have to.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. We're gonna mostly be using the 25-ton splitter. The 35 is running good. I just replaced the wheels on it. I'll show you here. I just replaced the wheels on this splitter because the bearings went out of both sides, and when it did, it tore the centers out of the wheels. So I got replacement wheels for it. I'm missing a center cap, but I got a plan for that. But that splitter runs good now, finally. But the control's bad on it, so it'll split, but it's not working very properly. Not very well. It don't hardly want to return back to the ram. Don't want to hardly do return unless I hold the handle in on it. So we're only going to use that as much as we need to. We're mostly going to concentrate on the 25-ton. I took the tank off this morning and got all the crap out of the bottom of the tank. I was going to show you that jug of gas, by the way. I'll show you that after a while. I got all the crap out of it, got it clean again. It's running good, so we're mostly going to be using it today. All right, get back over here and help him again. don't get my earmuffs. I thought they looked dirty. We might want to pull that out of there too.
Wanna bury it?
Yeah, I want to bury it, have it get cut or something.
Gold chain.
No, ruin my pickaroon. I can't afford to replace another one. Oh, they're also doing the introduction of shorts and chaps. Woohoo! Probably start cutting and then pull the truck back over here. Yeah, I don't know. We're awful far apart. I was trying to make sure we have plenty of room to unload these loads of logs, but that splitter's really too far over there. You don't have to be carrying all that. I'll have you pull up and pull over close to that one.
I'll just pull up and take the load and then
Okay. There you go. That is a heavy piece. Okay. We'll start this 55. Let it warm up for you for a minute. Charlie's going to be using my 51/55, and I'll probably be using the Red Max.
I'll move the truck over. This will be the first time for me to use the 18-inch bar. I bet this thing's gonna scream.
That's enough for now. We'll make another video to follow up. I'll see you on the next one.